Hey guys, so it's Amil
And Ty.
and we're back with another vlog.
So today, we are going to the grocery store right now. Pick up some little toiletries that we need, some soap and
Groceries.
yes. And we're gonna be cooking at home. Today we will be cooking Indian food for dinner. And we're gonna do like a little mukbang. Right now, we're going to Trader Joe's. I think we love Trader Joe's now. It's such a vibe in there, like I don't know.
Everyone is friendly,
Yeah.
first of all, and they have a lot of options, healthy food, organic food.
But it's so cold, so we're bundled up. We just can't do this weather.
Few more days and we out. Sorry, didn't mean to do that.
The puff.
Guys, we got our first ducky.
So on the 1st of January, somebody left us our duck.
Right.
It's green light.
So this is a good year for us, guys. It started really good. Just,
Yeah.
We received a lot of blessings, and also this ducky. We're so grateful to whoever gave us this. Man, thank you. You made our day. You made our day. You
Yeah.
made our year, to be specific.
One of our top moments for sure of 2023 so far. When we get to the grocery store, we're gonna continue recording. This is good.
Yeah, that's good. Get some tomatoes. Get the hard ones.
Jeez. So bad. This damn bag. This one feels kind of hard. That's nice.
Get like 5 of them.
Look at these white, no, they're called pine berries. I was gonna say white strawberries.
They got dates too.
Yeah, look at Emil. She got one of them little taste testers. She always smashing. Looking for them chicken thighs.
So we get 1 or 2?
One. So yeah, checking off our list right now. And I like to use these emoji check marks. Hold on. Wait. So yeah, we tried these samosas one time, and Emil is obsessed. Are you happy? We're done grocery shopping. It's kind of hectic in there. It's a lot of people, but even though it's a lot of people, it's still kind of quiet, which is funny. You be outside for 5 seconds and your hands start freezing. My God, I'm cold. But look what I got.
Mi amor.
And I got some peanut butter cups because I love peanut butter. Reese's usually is my favorite, but I don't eat that much candy no more, so.
It's not spicy? That's okay. Thank you.
Okay. So yeah, we are driving through our neighborhood, and look at these houses. They're huge and they're beautiful. That's gonna be me.
So it's very nice to be around this area because it gives us motivation, determination. We want to be there, we need to be there, we deserve all that. It's very nice. Before we get there, we got to do business. We want to make our money making money. We don't want to work too hard, we got to work smart.
So we just got back from the store and I want to show y'all some stuff that we bought. We got this jasmine incense. We love incense. We don't really use air freshener because all them chemicals. I bought this Dr. Bronner's soap, so I'm excited to try it. Hemp peppermint, that's grrr. This is our dinner today. So we're gonna season it with some garlic, some butter, and cilantro or parsley.
You want to eat this one, Jump? You guys want to eat this? Or you want beef? What about you, Humble? You ready to eat? Where's Pom Pom?
Oh, he in the table.
What you doing there, boy? Huh? Pom, you love that spot, Pom? Alright, so I guess they're eating this today. So they're so ready. Here you go. Oh, baby. Pom Pom. Look at him. Come on. Come on, let's eat. Let's eat, Pom. Come on, let's eat. Come on, let's eat, Pom. Come on, let's go eat. And this boy is funny. Give it to me. What you doing, mister? Huh?
Thank you. Smell really good. That's how you keep a woman.
I'm gonna need the chili powder.
Me supporting my babe. Whatever she wanna do.
Usually when I cook, it'll be done after 20 minutes.
That girl be moving fast. And then when I cook, it be like an hour and 30 minutes. I'm like, what's going on? I'm getting better. Because we made spaghetti the other day. 25 minutes, right?
Mm-hmm. It was good too.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're just waiting for our potatoes to cook. And we want it to be thick. So yeah, we're gonna put our cilantro. Hey guys, so from what we did, I don't think I can do mukbang.
Maybe we was really hungry. We kind of ate some snacks.
No, for real,
Before.
I can't do mukbang, baby. They were eating so much of me. I can't even talk while eating. I can't talk while eating. Or I can't eat a lot.
Some of them, they don't talk. But, you know, they just be like...
I don't know if I want to make noises like that. Because every time I watch these videos, people think I'm watching something else.
Oh.
Hey guys, it's been a long day. So we made a lot of content today. It's wonderful. It was beautiful. And if you want to learn how to make chicken curry, we're gonna provide the link below. And we're also gonna make we also did a mukbang. So if you want to watch us doing the mukbang, go ahead and watch that video. Overall, this day was success. You're just gonna leave me hanging.
Oh, I know what you was doing.
And as you can see, we're all tired.
Yes, everybody's sleeping. We're so full.
So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful night or day.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe.
And don't forget to comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know anything that you guys want us to do.